Alright, this is a lesson on the basic roles and functions of one single motor neuron cell. First of all, we'll start off with this whole blue area in here. This is the cell body, and that does pretty much what it does in every other cell, whereas it contains the nucleus, and it contains all the genetic material to form separate chromosomes and parts of DNA that are basically formed within the nucleus. So there also leads into what happens in the nucleus. Same as every other cell, it holds DNA and holds chromosomes that give the map and the blueprint of everybody's body and who they are. Out here, all these little pointy bits are dendrites, and what they do is they receive the message from other terminal branches of other motor neurons, which then get passed down through the cell body, past the cell body, and into what's known as the axon, this big branch over here, the blue branch that continues all the way down this way. And what the axon does is it sends electrical nerve impulses away from the cell body, going this way towards the terminal branches, which are in red, which I'll get to in a bit. But first of all, before I go over there, I want to talk about this part, which I'm circling right now. It's known as the axon hillock, and it is the last place that membrane potentials are sorted out, and it sort of determines what can stay in the cell membrane and what needs to be moved on. But we're done with that now, so we'll move on to the orange parts, which are known as the myelin sheath, and what they do is they sort of insulate the rest of the axon, the blue part, and it so that protects the message as it makes its way over here to the red parts, the terminal branches. I have to hurry up now, so the little bits, the blue parts that are not covered right here, they're known as the nodes of Ranvier, or the nodes of Ranvier, and they generate the most electricity because they're uncovered, so they're open to the elements and can generate more electricity. We move on now to the red parts. The little red branches over here are known as the terminal branches, and what they do is they pass on the messages that were originally started over here in the dendrites, and they pass them on to other neural transmitters. Motor neurons. The messages are made mainly out of vesicles which carry the neurotransmitters, and they have to float across the synaptic gap to get to other dendrites. Thank you.